Holy shit, dude. I missed it. Dragon riding in patch 10.15. Old world, more mounts and flight styles. Oh, you can choose. So you can choose flight style static or flight style dynamic. So you can choose which one you want. Honestly, I was curious what Blizzard was gonna do. And I think this is actually the right choice. I think this is actually... So Blizzard's in a pickle with what to do. If you guys are unaware, if you haven't played retail, they added in something called dragon flying or dragon riding, which makes... Flying is way better with dragon riding. It basically makes it so you can go way quicker, but it takes some type of skill to fly. It's just way better. But you can only do it in Dragon Isles. But now everyone's like, well, we want it in the old zones because it's just way better. And so Blizzard's like, shit, what do we do? All the old mounts go way slower, but people have been collecting mounts for 10 years, 20 years, if you're Asmongold, whatever. It's like, damn, what do we do? So they added a choice. You can choose which one you want, and they're adding dynamic flying, aka dragon riding, to all mounts. I actually think this is the right move forward. I think this is the right move forward. Yeah. That's a hard just like place to be, but I think they did the right thing. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. I think that's a good change.